Welcome back to another Supercars POV video. Right now I'm at Lambos and Lattes, and I am here. I have arrived, and we're going to be checking out all the cars at the event today. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's go. And we got Empress over here. Say hi.
What's up? What's up?
What up, boy? Excuse me, sir. You can't park here.
Listen, they gotta figure out how to tow me. What's up, man? I see Adion's here today.
Yep.
And Ivy's here today.
Yep. Adion, say hi.
Yeah, my boy.
What's up? Long time no see,
I know,
sir.
my boy's all famous now.
Nah, man, I'm not even famous.
That's not on me like that.
Sir, state your name.
Oh, boy. My name's the Black GT. Going covert. You want me to talk about the car?
Yeah, let's talk about the car, bro.
So, what I love about these cars is as crazy as you can make them look. It's as easy to drive as any other Golf. That's what I love about it. So it's got the full works. It's got a full custom R400 concept body kit, to which I designed a full custom aero kit for. It's a one of one. It was made by Galvez Customs. He does all my aero. That guy is a legend. He does everything for me. Then, man, I gotta think about everything I've done to this car. It was a look that was planned all in one. So this whole transformation was planned together. It wasn't like I did things in pieces. I wanted to come back as one full change. So the lights, for example, I went with this full concept cyberpunk kind of style DRL look. You know, usually the GTIs have the standard U-shaped halos. I deleted those and I went with the single bar. Nobody had done it before, and everybody asked me where they can buy it from. It was a lot of work and trial and error, but I mean, it paid off. We obviously have the custom Demon Eyes, which I did an etching that is inspired by Transformers, like Autobots, their eyes. I wanted this car to kind of look like it's a Transformer that's about like before changing, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, you have the very aggressive hood. The whole car is meant to be just very extreme all around. You know, if it was just this wrap on a regular GTI, it wouldn't have matched. I need to make the car extreme to make the design extreme. And then with the design, everybody asked me this question: what was the inspiration, or what's the theme? The best part of the car is there's no specific theme. You know, when I get clients who give me designs, they always give me like a particular, you know, idea they want. They have this, you know, particular movie they want to design it based off of, comic book, whatever. With this car, I want it to be, everybody has their own interpretation, right? Yeah. So there's a bunch of different themes and elements that I use as inspiration and culminated them together to create this. So there's elements of kind of the cyberpunk era. You have psychedelic style design, like you see on the hood with the shrooms and just, you know, it's very abstract. On the back, honestly, if you walk around to the back, you have the dragon eye here, you have geometric elements, all different kinds of art themes. And then the back, which most people will never catch on to, the back actually takes elements from Baroque style architecture, right? Which is classical European architecture. And you'd never know that. But, you know, it all comes together to where everybody who comes and looks at this car has a different idea of what it is. And that's what I love about it. Everybody has, it's the whole point. You could put it in an art museum, and that's the whole point of the car. Yeah. And, yeah, besides that, I mean, like I said, every element ties in together, even the wheels. What I wanted this car is that whether you hate it or love it, you can't say it looks incomplete. It has to look, it looks cohesive. It looks like every element was thought out together. And that's that. And the best part about it is it's my daily, so I get to drive it every day.
Nice. We got Empress car out here too as well, purple M5, and we got a 720s out here. Lead it start, so this is me and BT. I'm gonna be shooting some rollers right now. Here we go. We just did some rollers just now with 3 cars, a Lamborghini Huracan STO, a McLaren 720s, and a BMW M5. And the shots came out ridiculously good. Disregard the vertical video, just run with it, you know what I mean? That's how I do things. I do things from my mobile, my camera, to my camera, to my mobile. It's a whole thing. So I'm gonna insert the photos now. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.